Our planet is slowly being destroyed. And why is this happening?
There are many reasons, but the most significant one is the burning of coal through factory productions to generate a cheap source of energy. Coal is rich in carbon, which is released into the atmosphere when it is pulverized and burned. Heat from the coal is used to turn water into steam, which then powers turbines and generators, creating electricity.
We use this technology locally, but this process also releases harmful pollutants such as mercury, lead, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxides, particulate matter, and other toxic heavy metals.
This can lead to lung deterioration in humans, or, in more extreme cases, however not uncommon, cancer and death may occur. When these toxic pollutants are released into the atmosphere, climate change occurs, disrupting the balance of our world's ecosystem.
So how should we prevent such extreme causes?
Geothermal energy.
Okay, but what is geothermal energy exactly?
Well, it's a renewable energy source. Heat's trapped just below the Earth's surface and is tapped into for a sustainable source of energy to generate electricity and other common necessities. Actually, there are 3 types of heat source that can be used. Direct use of geothermal heat, ground source heat, and deep enhanced geothermal systems.
The difference between these 3 energy sources is small. Both ground source heating pumps and direct use of geothermal heating usually serve as alternative energy sources for heating and cooling applications, whereas deep advanced technology deals with higher temperatures. This is a source we use to generate electricity. You can generate this energy through ground sources, geothermal reservoirs, and power plants.
Here's the simplest way your home can be heated by geothermal technology.
A system that consists of a ground source containing a geo-exchange system is planted under your house and is connected to piping that is buried in the ground. These then carry heated fluids like water to move heat from point to point by circulating throughout your home.
The installation would cost an estimated $20,000 if installed to a home around 2,500 square feet.
This is a suitable plan for our local citizens, benefiting the environment, delicate ecosystem, and later even your wallets. Why is using geothermal energy so helpful?
Access to the Earth's heat is stable, making cost and accessibility consistent.
It positively benefits the environment with minimal pollutants being released.
It doesn't take too much to produce a large amount of energy.
It's renewable!
The temperature of the Earth's core is about the same as the sun's temperature, 9,932 degrees Fahrenheit. While the sun isn't always visibly present to exploit energy, the Earth can't just go away.
Our main concern is your safety, so are there any problems with this energy?
Geothermal technology has its ups and downs. Unfortunately, it can cause minor earthquakes and extreme events. The power plants that are needed to generate considerable amounts of energy are also heavy in upfront costs, and the energy will not be generated if the reservoirs are not being properly maintained. More intense geothermal technology requires setup in specific locations. Luckily, we have these here.
Geothermal technology may not be as cheap as other renewable energy sources, but it can produce significantly greater amounts of energy in less time than competitive sources.
Unlike solar energy, which can only be used when the sun is out, and wind-powered energy, which can only be used when the right amount of wind occurs, our energy sources are accessible 24/7.
Geothermal technology is the best way to create clean, renewable energy. With your help and support, we can spread the word to help restructure the ways we generate electricity.